Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 7, History. Chapter's name is Rulers and Building. Students, today we will study why temples were destroyed. Why when one king attacked another king, they targeted temples. Students, we all know very well that kings or rulers constructed temples to demonstrate their devotion towards God, power and wealth. So, to humiliate other king, to defame other king, kings always targeted temples of kingdom of defeated king. For example, when Pandyan attacked Sri Lanka, Sri Mara Sri Ballava defeated Sen first, and according to a Buddhist monk and chronicler, he looted all the monasteries. He seized a statue of Buddha made entirely of gold. He looted all the gold statues of the monasteries. When Sen II became the ruler, he decided to take revenge of this incident. So, he ordered his army head to attack Madurai and bring statue of Buddha. Students, in this expedition, soldiers of Sen II searched whole the city of Madurai. Dear students, in 11th century, when Rajendra I was ruler of Chola dynasty, he made temple of Shiva and filled this temple with seized or prized statues. An incomplete list tell us he established sun pedestal taken by Chalukya. He also put the statue of Ganesha, so many statue of Durga, taken from Eastern Chalukya. Statue of Bhairava and Bhairavi taken from Kalinga king. And statue of Kali taken from Pala dynasty. I mean to say that all the rulers try to fill their temples by statues looted from another temples. Have you heard about Mahmud Ghazni? He was not a very famous ruler, but he earned praise to be a hero of Islam. When he attacked Indian subcontinent, he targeted especially temples of Somnath. And looted a vast amount of gold. Students, you will be amazed to know that from this looted wealth, he constructed his capital, very glorious. And after this incident, Mahmud of Ghazni became hero of Islam. Students, today we studied why temples were destroyed. Tomorrow we will study about construction of tombs, tanks, charbagh, etc. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona.